Okay, we're looking at question 4 from Minitest 3, so that's on surds. And I'm basically being asked to rationalise the denominator. They've written it in a slightly different form, but that's really what they're asking me to do. So there's my starting fraction. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do before I actually rationalise the denominator, I'm going to square out that numerator. So multiply those brackets out. So that's going to be root 3 times root 3, so that's just 3. 4 times root 3, another 4 times root 3, and 4 times 4. And that's still, so I haven't done anything to the denominator yet, so I'm not rationalising the denominator, I'm just squaring out those brackets. So that also, change my pen back, that all simplifies down. So on that numerator I've got 3 plus 16, so 19, and then I've got 4 root 3 plus another 4 root 3, so plus 8 root 3 all over root 3 plus 2. Okay, so now I'm ready to rationalise the denominator. So I'm going to multiply through by the same as that denominator, but with the sign changed, so root 3 minus 2. And I'm not changing the fraction, I want an equivalent fraction, so I'll need to multiply numerator through by the same thing. Okay, so in the numerator I've got 19 times root 3, so that will just be 19 root 3. I've got 19 times minus 2, so that's going to be minus 38. I have got 8 root 3 times root 3, so that's going to be 8 times 3. And I have got 8 root 3 times minus 2, so that's going to be minus 16 root 3. Okay, and then in the denominator, I've got root 3 times root 3, which is going to give me 3. I've got root 3 times minus 2, which is minus 2 root 3. I've got 2 times root 3, which is plus 2 root 3. And I've got 2 times minus 2, so that's minus 4. And of course what happens there is those two middle terms end up eliminating each other. They just cancel each other out. So what you can do is just write the first and the last terms when you're doing the rationalising of the denominator. So just the root 3 times the root 3 and the 2 times the minus 2. Okay, so you can put the full expansion if you prefer, or you can just put what I've put there. So now all we need to do is simplify that down. So in the numerator I've got 19 root 3 minus 16 root 3, so 3 root 3. I've got minus 38 plus 24, so I've got, that's minus 14, and that's all over minus 1. Now I can't leave it over minus 1, that wouldn't be fully simplified, so I'm just going to divide through by minus 1, so that will make it minus 3 root 3 plus 14. Okay, that's my final answer.